Hello, everybody. This is Trish from Crazy Indian Treasures, and I got Happy Mail. I got Happy Mail from one of my besties named Amy. Thank you so much, Amy. So let's start with the card. Trish, here's surprise bag. When I find the other hook is on the way also, so I've got hooks in there. Hope these goodies make you smile. You always make me smile, Amy. No, I love you always, bestie. Amy Long. I love you, Amy. I do. I love you, Amy. Now, let's see what I got, eh? Got my scissors. And it's really taped up well, which is awesome. I hope that didn't show up on my screen. It probably didn't. Amy had fun taping this, I can tell. Amy had fun taping this. It's taped really well. This is what I see. This is what I see. It's all goodness. It's all goodness. Crochet hooks. We'll get into crochet first. I want to see what this is. What is this? What is this? What is this? What is this? I got yarn too. Okay, we need more snip, snip. 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 And there. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Oh my god. She got me yarn. So we'll go after the yarn. But look at this. Oh my god, I got an Amy Long. Look at that. Look at that. Isn't that cute? Oh, Amy, I got my own unicorn. Thank you. I got my own unicorn in purple. She's beautiful. You guys see right there. Right there. Oh, Amy, I love her. Thank you so much. I'm going to cry off camera because I'm just that kind of person. And then we have 3 skeins of I Love This Cotton. Never tried it before in my life. Have never ever gotten this. $3.79. Is that what they call? Wow. But it was on for 94 cents. Goodbye. So this is really soft. Like really soft. Like no wonder. Monkey brown. I love that. No wonder. No wonder people love this. I love this cotton. Super soft. It is. Smells nice too. So it's 100% cotton. It's 3 ounces or 85 grams. 153 yards or 140 meters, and they suggest a 5.5 millimeter crochet hook. And it is a 4. Medium. Yeah, that's a 4. Oh my god. So I got 3 of these. Thank you so much, Amy. I'm going to make something up. I don't know what yet, but I will. And they have a pattern. Wonder how many balls they say. I'd make that monkey. Okay, I would try to make the monkey. I haven't made any amigurumi yet because it scares me. But I have a good friend named Amy. Maybe you know her. And she used to be Amy Long to Crochet, and now she's just Amy's Crochet. Oh, she gave me some furls. She gave me some furls, people. Now for the crochet hooks. Look at them all. Look at them all. This is a 6.5 wood and resin. 6.5 wood and resin. Beautiful hook. It goes in that one. This is a 5 furls. Ooh, I love my furls. I'm a furls girl. This is a 5. Thank you, Amy. That goes in there too. And this is a 6 millimeter. I think it's a divot. I don't think it's a furls. I think it's a divot because I have a divot. Where is my divot? And it's the same. Okay, I can't find my divot. There it is. There's my divot. And it's a 6.5, and this is another divot. That's why I say they're divots. They're similar. That's a 6. Thank you, Amy. I love them. See, I love using these hooks. I do. This is another 6 milli. Oh, it's pretty. This is a 5 milli. And this is another furls. And this is a H, which is a 5 millimeter. And that's a 5 milli too. So they're both 5 millis. And that's what I got from my friend Amy. Oh, wait, I forgot these. These also came. There's a 6. There's a 5. There's a 4.5. Thank you, Amy. Oh, these are the clovers. Oh, Amy, these are the clover soft touch, aren't they? Oh, Amy, thank you. I've never tried these either, but I love clovers. I love the tips of them because the yarn just goes right off. It just slides right off. Just slides on them. Thank you so much, Amy. Thank you so much, Amy. I love them. Thank you so much. I appreciate everything that you've given me. I love my unicorn. She's purple. She's purple. So that's what I got, folks. That's my happy mail. I got an Amy original. Okay, maybe not an original. Maybe there was a pattern, but I got an Amy made amigurumi. All mine. You can't have it. Mine, 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 mine. I love it. I love it. I'm going to always put it there and think of Amy. Yes. Oh, I dropped something. Oh, well. It's not as important as Amy's amigurumi is. I love the eyeballs. So that's it. Not a long video, but I just wanted to get on and open up my package because I had promised I wouldn't open it up unless it was on camera. So, and I've been sitting outside for an hour and getting some sun, as you can see. So, see, I got some sun. So I didn't want to. I got enough sun. It came in from the sun, and I wanted to open up my package, but I promised I would do it in front of the camera. So there's the video. I hope you like it, Amy. I love everything you sent me. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I love all the crochet hooks. I love my amigurumi. I love the crochet hooks. I love that little card. I'm going to keep it forever. So thank you so much. And if anybody else wants to give me anything, by all means, I am accepting gifts. Water. My boy is making me drink water. Water with ice cubes, and I'm only allowed to sip it because I just came from outside, and apparently I got too much sun. Mm, my face looks red. Mm. Anyway, I'm gonna go because I'm a hot mess, but I like it that way. So I will take it easy. You all be you and have a great day and be kind to yourselves and each other. And I will see you on the YouTube streets, okay? Don't forget the thumbs up. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you later. Crazy Engine, out.